how to have a voice chat conversation with ChatGPT. So first you will need to open up the ChatGPT on your mobile device. And then on the bottom right, you want to click on this white circular button right here, which says use voice mod. And ChatGPT should be talking to you, where you can basically ask questions directly by talking, and it will respond to your questions using ChatGPT voice. So for example, you can ask for the weather. What's the weather today?
It's partly sunny with a temperature of about 57 degrees Fahrenheit, which is around 14 degrees Celsius. Over the next few days, you'll see a mix of sunshine and clouds with temperatures ranging from the mid 40s to the mid 60s Fahrenheit. Should be pretty pleasant overall.
And as you can see right here, you can ask any questions and it will read the answers for you. That's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.